Hi, and welcome back to this video series of how to learn paintless dent repair in the comfort of your own home. Last week we talked about using a hood stand and how that's important to learn on because you can get your junk panels that don't matter. And we talked about how using live panels is not something that you want to do. You want to practice on something that doesn't matter. So we built our hood stand. We showed you how to do that. Now we want to talk about how you're going to set your hood, you're going to get your hood and you're going to do it horizontal. Now some of you may be in areas where there is no hail damage. Even still, it's easier to learn on a hood, easier to learn on a horizontal surface. And so that's where you're going to start. But also, we want to get you into practicing on doors, and so we'll show you how to do that as well. Let's get started. Okay, this is how the hood sits on there. I mean, it seems straightforward, and it is. And the thing about these 2x4s up here, they're kind of horizontal. They can block your way from getting to the back side of the panel right in this area. So you can actually move the hood a lot when you're working on it, when you're practicing on it. But some guys really don't like that feeling of instability. And the best part about using these junk hoods is that they are junk. And so you can just drill a hole right through the hood and drive a screw in, just a regular drywall screw right through the hood to hold it in place. I know that gives people a lot more feeling of security, and they can really use their pry bars on the hood. But right here is a case in point. You notice that this is right up against the wall. And if you're in your garage, if you can use a stud finder, or this happens to be wood right here, you can just screw the hood stand right to the wall. And that makes a real stable surface for you to practice your door doing dents on the side. Now you can see that the door is up off the ground. And I just wanted you to see how we mounted that up here. There's a screw right here with a washer screwed right to the panel, and then right here is a pair of vice grips hold it in the back. And that's all you need to practice on a door and a hood with your hood stand.